Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Mom in Practice. Today I am sharing you a very famous recipe of Hyderabad, which is world famous Khatti Dal. To prepare this delicious, simple, easy recipe, let's get started with the basic ingredients. So first of all, take a pressure cooker, add half cup of pigeon peas and half cup of red lentils. Mix together. To make it delicious, I have added both together. You can use individually as well. Wash them and soak with 250 ml of water and keep aside. Now let's take 3 tomatoes, few curry leaves, 4 to 5 green chilies and handful of coriander leaves, handful of tamarind, soak in water to make pulp or juice of it. And for tempering we need a spoonful of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoonful of mustard seeds, 4 to 5 dried red chilies, 4 to 5 garlic cloves and curry leaves. In the pressure cooker, let's add the tomatoes. Now add the green chilies, coriander leaves, quarter teaspoonful of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoonful of red chili powder, 2 teaspoonsful of ginger and garlic paste. Now give a mix to all the ingredients. Cover the lid and pressure cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles. This is almost done. Let's check the dal. The lentils are completely boiled and ready to be mashed. Let's mash this dal with the help of the hand masher. The dal is mashed. Now it's time to add the tamarind pulp or juice. After adding the tamarind juice, let's mix the dal and if required add more water in it. Check the consistency and then now it's time to add more curry leaves, coriander leaves, and if you want to have the dal spicy you can even add green chilies at this point of time. Let's add the salt as per your taste. Give a mix and start boiling for about 15 minutes. Boil the dal very well and in between give a check, give a mix as the dal may overflow of boiling. The dal is almost boiled. It's been boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to temper the dal. Let's take a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil in it, heat the oil very well and now add 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Let it crackle and then add the garlic cloves. Simmer the flame and cook the garlic cloves till it becomes brown and then add the dried green chilies, curry leaves. Now add the dal into the tamarind and cover the lid to preserve the flavor and the aroma. And now turn it back to the boiling dal. This is it, guys. The delicious Hyderabadi Khatti Dal is all ready to be served. Delicious dal with the plain rice along with the fried mutton, fried chicken, or any kind of dried recipes with plain rice. So guys, hope you like this delicious Khatti Dal of Hyderabad, which is very famous worldwide and it's very easy to be prepared. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends. Be healthy, be happy, be safe, and thanks for watching.